Chief Executive and Principal Message. Welcome to MonAmi Montessori and High School, serving a truly multicultural community, where every student is valued and treated as an individual. MonAmi Montessori and High School is a warm and diverse community which we are very proud to lead. Central to our working ethos is the success of every student in the school, and for us this means a high-quality learning experience in every classroom and excellent behavior at all times. MonAmi Montessori and High School is a school where young people's talents and abilities are nurtured and where they can develop their ambitions. Our aim is that all students should leave the school as highly qualified, confident and articulate young adults. We are passionate about our students and are deeply committed to ensuring that they have a rich and successful experience at MonAmi Montessori and High School. We believe in equipping students with the skills, knowledge and confidence for the future, and the dedicated body of staff here work tirelessly to support success for all. We look forward to welcoming you to our outstanding school. Success. At MonAmi Montessori and High School we strike the right balance between challenging our students to achieve their potential and aspiring to succeed. We develop caring individuals who appreciate and value the positive contributions they can make to society and the lives of others. We promote the values of respect, courage, kindness, perseverance, honesty and creativity in order to support pupils as they grow and mature. It is important to inspire youngsters with our belief that hard work and the right approach leads to success and helps promote happiness and well-being. Chief Executive and Principal, Friha Usman.